Hello everyone, this is Andres Almiray from JNation 2024 and I'm now here with Tim Beek from Moderne. Tim, can you say some words about yourself, please?
Yeah, sure. I'm Tim Beek. I'm a staff software engineer at Moderne, where I'm a community lead for OpenRewrite. And I'm here to give a workshop on how folks can use OpenRewrite to help migrate their own projects, maybe develop something that could be of use for everyone in helping modernize applications.
So what is OpenRewrite?
So OpenRewrite is a framework that allows you to make safe code modifications. So we build up a detailed model of your code and then allow you to modify that model through Java visitors. And in that sense, really do any kind of changes you'd want to do to, for instance, upgrade your application or to secure your application or improve the code quality.
So in a way, if I want to do a very rough oversimplification, this kind of automated refactorings, that's what it sounds to me.
Yes, absolutely. So we see that applied with our friends from the frameworks at Spring, at Micronaut and Quarkus, where they allow their users to upgrade to new versions by running OpenRewrite recipes to do the code changes needed.
Okay, that also kind of like sounds a little bit like database migrations and liquid-based. So it's kind of like OpenRewrite is some sort of migrating from one state of your application or your code base into another state, whether it's like going from Java 8 or 11 to 17, 21, or the latest Java, or moving from older versions of Spring to the newer version of Spring.
Yes, absolutely. So we automate at the source level. So if your application is using Java 8 and you want to be on Java 21, you just say I want to be on Java 21, and we will make it so. And do all the changes included with that. So updating your build pipelines, updating your build Gradle files or pom.xml files, but also updating your code to really adopt the features that are new in newer Java versions, such as sequence collections. Finally calling get first or get last instead of get element 0 and things like that.
Okay, great. And so you also mentioned Moderne, which is the company behind the open source version OpenRewrite. And I'm sure that Moderne has additional offerings that make sense for developers. Is there anything else going on here?
Yeah, sure. So what we do with Moderne is we run the exact same recipes that you can also run with OpenRewrite, but we allow you to run them at scale. So if you don't have the one project that you're working on, but you're looking at upgrading 500 or 5,000 applications, then we make it possible to do that in a fraction of a minute. So create pull requests for 500 projects at the same time and do the follow-up through our Moderne platform or our Moderne CLI or the IntelliJ integrations that we're building.
Okay, great. So you have local integration with existing developer tools and also you have the cloud option.
Yes, absolutely. So we have a CLI that helps facilitate all of that, and that way it becomes very easy to maintain across different Git repositories. So.
Great. So are there any other recent developments around OpenRewrite that you could share?
So we just last week released a new version of our IntelliJ plugin that allows you to very easily search across multiple repositories, even if you're just using a local set of repositories, where you can find a pattern in your IDE, then right-click and say, am I using this in a lot of these repositories that I have locally? And you'll see the results stream in your IDE. And from there, it's a right-click away to make a recipe to modify that pattern. So if you're not particularly happy with how you did something in the past, we give you the tools to make changes there in just a couple minutes across all the different Git repositories.
Excellent. But I'm also aware that it's something that recently happened in April regarding OpenRewrite and a half of other projects. There is this new open source foundation known as the Commonhaus. And OpenRewrite is one of the founding members, founding member projects of this foundation. So why will OpenRewrite, why would they join Commonhaus? What's the whole point of having access to this foundation?
So for us, we joined the Commonhaus Foundation to really underwrite that we are committed to our open source license. Now, if you're active in the broader community of open source projects, you've probably seen that some projects maybe start out open source, but then find that they have trouble monetizing their solution, and then they switch the license later. And it's up to everyone to then adopt to the new renamed project that's a fork of what it was originally. But we want to underwrite that we are committed to our license by giving our trademark to the Commonhaus Foundation, such that we can't even be forced to change our license. It's just going to be OpenRewrite for everyone. And even if we were to, at some point, fork it, we would have to rename our own product. So that's, for us, underpinning that we really are committed to the license that we have.
Great. So you are in very good company. There are other projects that joined the launch of the Commonhaus at the time. There were 6 projects. So there's OpenRewrite, there's Hibernate, which is very well known, Jackson also, the most popular JSON library in the Java space. There is JBank, JReleaser, and Morphia. And very soon, the Commonhaus will make an announcement that 3 other projects have joined the foundation, and we're certainly looking for other projects and other members and sponsors, so everybody that will be willing to help the foundation continue with its mission, continue with its path, and continue to grow. Is there anything else that you would like to share, Tim?
Just that I really enjoy working with OpenRewrite and telling folks about this. And if you have your own use cases that you might want to automate, then do come look for us. We're very much an open core company, and we really hope to collaborate with folks to support new languages, new frameworks, new technologies, just as a collaborative effort such that everyone can migrate more easily.
Perfect. So one more thing is, I don't recall, but is this your first time at JNation? What is your impression of this event?
I really like the event. It's really well set up. It's really nice to see everyone in this space and be able to find each other easily, connect with the folks here, and then looking forward to the workshop tomorrow to take everyone through what we're gonna do in the workshop.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Tim, and thank you everybody else for watching, and we'll see you next.